Thank you for coming to KSHB.com and checking out the weather blog on this Thanksgiving weekend. Well, right now on pace to have the warmest November ever. Average is 51.9, and right now we are sitting at 52.6. It's going to be a close call. Now, does this have anything to do with the winter weather, winter forecast? Well, tonight, Weathering Winter, our whole weather team, myself, Gary Lezak, Lindsay Anderson, Nicole Phillips, Gerard Jabali will all have some great information and our opinions on the winter weather forecast tonight at 6:30 p.m. here on 41 Action News. So let's take a look at the weather across the country. Right now it is pretty quiet, but there is a storm system on the west coast, and there are a few travel delays out there in San Francisco, some airport delays. That's really the main show, and this storm is going to move out into the middle part of the country and be an issue for tomorrow, Sunday into Monday for some of that travel. So let's take a look at the Powercast this afternoon. Really pretty good weather across most of the country except there in California. As we go through tonight and into tomorrow morning, the clouds are going to increase, so will the wind. So tomorrow morning, if you're headed out by road, it'll be mostly dry, but it'll be cloudy, and the winds will be gusting from the south, 15 to 30 miles per hour, and then even gusting to over 40 miles per hour in some locations during the day tomorrow from the south. So that means traveling east-west, like on I-70 or I-80, your car could get buffeted around a little bit, especially high-profile vehicles. And then during the day, precipitation will develop, and it's mostly rain. It is simply too warm in all locations for any frozen precipitation, even in South Dakota and Minnesota. So it'll be windy, some rain showers. We're looking at about a trace to a quarter of an inch of rain here. So hopefully we'll get a little more than that, but I doubt it, because it's a fast-moving system and we're not really in the right spot. Just a lot of wind and clouds and mild temperatures in the 50s and rain. Even into tomorrow evening, the rain continues to increase. There might even be a few thunderstorms in Nebraska as well. Even a few rumbles of thunder here are not out of the question. So tomorrow, the main story will be the middle part of the country, but as you see, it's mostly rain. And the Pacific Northwest, some rain and snow showers, but other than that, pretty quiet. Now, if you're waiting till Monday, Sunday night and Monday, the storm will track into the northern plains, and some snow will finally break out in the Dakotas, but it doesn't look like a huge snowstorm, but there could be some accumulating snow and wind up there. And there could be some thunderstorms from southern Indiana down into Tennessee and Mississippi there in Alabama as we go towards later on Monday. Other than that, the coasts look pretty good for Monday. Here's a quick look at the 7-day forecast. 55 on Saturday, 57 tomorrow, windy. Few rain showers. Sunday night football in America, Chiefs and Broncos tomorrow night, Sunday night, and on 41 Action News. Then as we go through the week, it'll be a little colder as we go into December, but that's what it should be. Highs in the 40s, lows in the 20s as we go into December, and we don't see any big winter storms or any big storms at this time. Have a great, happy, and safe rest of your Thanksgiving weekend.